Hi! In this video, we will show you how to import subscriber lists from ActiveCampaign to Weemail for your WordPress email marketing. Firstly, you want to make sure you have your ActiveCampaign account ready. You also want to make sure your email list is ready in your Active account. Now, from your Weemail dashboard, click on Import. Next, click on ActiveCampaign. You will be redirected to the settings page where you have to paste your ActiveCampaign API key as well as the API URL. To find the API keys, go to your ActiveCampaign dashboard and click on Developers under the Settings option. Now copy both of the API credentials and paste it into the API section in Weemail for your WordPress site. Click on Next, and you will find yourself in the Select List page where your data from your ActiveCampaign will be fetched. Select the list from your ActiveCampaign account, which you want to import into Weemail. Now enable the option for Import Subscribers with ActiveCampaign List. If you want to import subscribers into a Weemail list, then enable the option for Import Subscribers into Weemail List. Choosing this option will prompt you to select a Weemail list. If you want, you can overwrite the existing subscribers for both of the above options. Click on Next when you are done. Now map all the fields and click on Start Importing. Your file will be successfully imported. Click on View Subscriber List to see your result. You can now see that the subscribers are stored under the selected list. And that is how you can easily import your subscriber list into your Weemail list from ActiveCampaign. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getweemail.io and subscribe to our channel.